Hey folks, Joe here with Second Economy, Charleston's only channel for crypto education and news. I've been in the Low Country since 2019 and want to help Charleston's economy adopt blockchain technology with a focus on collectible NFTs to offer customers community, tradable loyalty programs, tickets, and exclusive holding rights. If this sounds like something you're interested in for your restaurant or brewery, don't hesitate to reach out. My goal is to educate 20 business owners in the Charleston area about Web3 and help them implement a strategy by summer 2023. Now, full disclosure, I am invested in the crypto markets. My current holdings include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Solana, and XRP, to name a few. Nothing said in this video is financial advice. They are of my own opinions and are meant for education. So, let's get in it. The brewery industry has been around for centuries, but it's not immune to change. In recent years, a new technology has emerged that has the potential to revolutionize the way breweries operate. I'm talking about non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. NFTs are a type of digital asset that are unique and cannot be replicated or replaced. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, NFTs represent ownership of a specific item or piece of content, such as digital artwork or collectible. So, how can this technology be applied to the brewery industry? Our first example is pretty simple. By creating unique, limited edition beers that can be bought and sold like collectibles. Breweries like Brewdog and the Brooklyn Brewery have already begun experimenting with releasing limited edition beers that are represented by NFTs. These NFTs can be bought and sold on the open market, and they represent ownership of a unique beer, allowing breweries to create a sense of exclusivity and rarity around a particular beer. Or batch. This can increase its perceived value and appeal to collectors. For the NFT holder, owning an NFT for a limited edition beer means owning a one-of-a-kind item that represents ownership of a unique beer for a specific brewery. This can make the NFT a valuable collector's item in its own right. Now, for the brewery, the sale of these limited edition beers and the corresponding NFTs can create new revenue streams. These beers can be sold at a premium price, and the NFTs can also be sold at a premium price with royalties attached. So anytime it's sold on the open market, you get a cut. But the benefits of NFTs for breweries go beyond just creating exclusive products. NFTs can also increase brand awareness and engagement, create new revenue streams, connect with a new market of collectors, and provide increased transparency and traceability of your products. Example number 2 is nothing new in the world of business, or breweries for that matter, but we're just going to lace with a little bit of Web3 magic. NFT-based memberships. Another revenue stream that breweries can create by using NFTs is offering exclusive memberships that are based on NFT ownership. These memberships can offer exclusive access to limited edition beers, special events, voting on which beer to brew next, a base allowance of beers per year, and other perks. Really, whatever you want to market, you can do so through these NFTs. It kind of just becomes another stream of attention, if you will. The brewery, the sale of these memberships can create a new revenue stream and also help increase brand loyalty by creating a sense of exclusivity and community around that brewery. Number 3, virtual collectibles. NFTs can also be used to create virtual collectibles like digital art, stickers, badges, really you name it. These virtual collectibles can be used to represent different beers, milestones, or achievements. For the NFT holder, owning a virtual collectible can be a fun and unique way to connect with the brewery and its beers. For the brewery, the sale of virtual collectibles can create new revenue streams, as always, and also help increase brand awareness and engagement by creating a sense of exclusivity in around a particular item or event. Are you guys getting it? Exclusivity and community is the name of the game. So, number 4, charity auctions. Breweries can also use NFTs to raise money for charities by auctioning off unique NFTs, with the proceeds going to a chosen charity. These NFTs can represent special beers, limited edition bottles, or even a private tour of the brewery. For the NFT holder, owning an NFT from a charity auction can be a way to support a good cause while also owning a unique and valuable collector's item. For the brewery, this can be a way to give back to the community and generate positive PR. Number 5, customized experience. Breweries can create NFTs that represent a customized experience, like a private tour of the brewery, a beer tasting session with the brewmaster, a meet and greet with the brewery team, or even a seat at a special event or release party. This gives a lot of space for the brewery to collaborate with other businesses in the area. For the NFT holder, owning an NFT that represents a customized experience can be an exciting and unique way to connect with the brewery and its team. For the brewery, the sale of these experiences create an extra revenue stream and also help to build brand loyalty by creating a sense of exclusivity and community around the brewery. Number 6, rewards programs. Nothing new to breweries, but you guys can use NFTs to create rewards programs where customers can earn NFTs for different milestones, like the number of beers purchased, visiting the brewery a certain number of times, or even for leaving reviews. These NFTs can be used to redeem discounts, special offers, or even exclusive beer. Starbucks Odyssey is a great example of this. If you have the time, give it a quick Google. Starbucks Odyssey, it'll come up with a blog post and it'll tell you exactly what they're trying to do. They're all building on Matic, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm actually whitelisted. So, and lastly, my favorite, fractionalized ownership. Now, base terms, fractionalized ownership allows multiple parties to own a piece of property or an asset, such as a building, a piece of art, or in this case, a brewery. NFTs can actually be used to represent fractional ownership in a brewery. An example of how this could work is like a brewery owner wants to expand the brewery and add a new production line. They don't have the funds to do it alone. Instead of taking out a loan, the owner decides to use NFTs to raise the necessary funds by selling fractional ownership of the brewery to investors. The owner creates an NFT that represents a certain percentage of ownership in the brewery. For example, each NFT could represent 1% ownership. The owner then sells 100 of these NFTs on the open market, raising the necessary funds for the expansion. The investors who own these NFTs now have a stake in the brewery and can benefit from its success. Powerful stuff. They also have a say in key business decisions, such as major investments, changes in leadership, and other important decisions. To make that decision, the brewery can use a voting mechanism built on smart contract technology where the NFT holders can vote on the decision in proportion to their ownership. For example, if an investor owns 10% of the brewery represented by 10 NFTs, they will have 10 votes in the decision. This method of raising funds not only allows the brewery owner to expand their business, but also allows investors to become part of the brewery's success and to have a say in the key business decisions. Additionally, it allows investors to potentially see a return on their investment if the brewery becomes successful. In conclusion, NFTs are the new hops in the beer industry. They allow breweries to create unique, limited edition beers that can be bought and sold like collectibles. Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind beer that can't be replicated, just like how you can't replicate a great beer drinking experience with your friends. But the benefits of NFTs don't end there. They can also increase brand awareness and engagement, create new revenue streams, connect with the new market of collectors, and provide increased transparency and traceability of products. Breweries can use NFTs to create reward programs, fundraise for charity, offer memberships, create customized experiences, and even to represent fractionalized ownership in a brewery. Now let's not forget, NFTs can also be used for making key business decisions, like whether to add more hops or not, by allowing the NFT holders to vote on the decision in proportion to their ownership. If you're a brewery owner, you might be wondering how to get started with NFTs. The process is relatively simple. Get in touch. The future of the brewery industry is always changing, but one thing is certain. NFTs have the potential to revolutionize the way breweries operate. It's up to you to decide if you want to be part of that change.